Welcome back to the Ugly Sweater Hat Crochet Along for day 2, part 2. This does correspond to round 5 in the PDF, so if you're following along with the written pattern, you'll know right where we're at. So the first thing we want to do, we're on our B color, and we're going to be working into the third loop of these double crochets. If you are not familiar with the third loop and what that is, I do have a video on it. So if you want to watch it really quick, you can do that. Or I will also show you real quick. So here is the right side of our work. And you can see you have the, make sure we're in focus because I can't see the camera right now. Okay, so we've got the front loop and the back loop. Those are totally normal. We use those all the time. Now the third loop is going to be just under the back loop. So if I'm looking on the wrong side of the work, it's going to be this loop right here. It's underneath the back loop. So our first stitch, we're working, let me restart that. We're working half double crochets all of the way around, but we're working them into the third loop. So I'll show you the first one up close. You're working, see it right there? I'm going to make sure it's focused. 1 second. Okay, I'll pull these out of the way. Working into this loop right here. Half double crochet. And you can see it pulls, or pushes rather, the top of the previous stitch forward, and it'll actually end up pushing all of these forward to make it look knitted. So I'm going to do 3 real slowly, so you kind of get an idea of what it looks like. And once you start doing it, all of the stitches kind of naturally just move forward for you. Okay, so that's a half double crochet into the third loop. You'll work 1 into every stitch around, no more increases on this round. And once you get all the way around and back to the start, I will join back up and I'll show you how I do the join for this particular stitch. It's a little different, so this is a good time to pause it and work your way around. So we just finished round 3 of the half double crochets into the back, or the third loop. Now to join, normally we would join into the half double crochet just like this, but for this stitch I have found that if you take your hook out, don't leave it too loose, but leave it a little looser than normal. Insert your hook back to front of the beginning half double crochet, and then grab your loop and pull it through and join this way. It makes it look so much better and cleaner. With other stitches it's not so bad, but with this particular stitch, when you're working rounds crocheting into the third loop, this helps so much. So now you're going to chain 1 and you're going to work a second round working only into that third loop, 1 into each stitch all the way around. So make sure you have 60 by the end of this round, and you'll be joining with a new color at the end, so don't join quite yet. I'll show you how to do the join on. All right, you've just finished your 4th round. If you're doing the PDF, following along with that, that's round 6. But we are going to join with our new color. Feel free just to join the normal way on this round. So now you want your C color. For me, that's teal. I'm so excited to see how that's going to look. And you are going to just pull your loop through, pull it all the way through and go ahead and chain 3. And thank you for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow for day 3 of the crochet along.